Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the base box for the month of January for Boxycharm. This box retails for $25, but of course, as you guys all know, the value of the box always exceeds $25. It's usually like $130, sometimes even more. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm excited to do my unboxing for Boxycharm. I tend to feel like the Boxycharm boxes they're like the last subscription boxes that come to me. Normally Boxycharm is usually the first, but like now Boxycharm, they normally do them in the beginning of the month, but now I feel like after because of this whole pandemic now, they do them more like at the ending of the month as opposed to they used to be at the beginning of the month. But nevertheless, rather late than never, I'm like super excited to do my unboxing to see what's in here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of makeup subscription unboxes on my channel because I love makeup, and this is a way I can try a whole bunch of stuff out for more than half the price. So if you're considering getting any makeup boxes, any subscription boxes, my channel will be great for you because I do lots of those unboxings on this channel, and you get a chance to see if maybe this is the box for you or not. Alrighty, so let's dig in and see what's in this box. So this is the sneak peek of what it looks like when you open it up. And normally the base boxes are red. So I am super excited. We have a card that tells you everything in the box. The first thing I see in here is something that I actually already own. It is a Pharmacy Daily Green Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And I already have one already that honestly, I don't even think I used this once. I don't like the smell of this. Maybe that's why I never used it. This is why I say I hate getting like skincare because like I'm very like sensitive to what I smell. My skin is sensitive, and then you can only use like one moisturizer at a time. You're not supposed to really be mixing them. So I rather just get makeup because you can use different makeup things all at the same time. But this is what the box looks like. This is what it looks like inside. I do notice that Boxycharm always does like pharmacy skincare stuff in their boxes, and Glow Recipe, which I tend to love the brand just because of that. I get to try all this stuff. I got this in my Trend Mood box. It was like a Trend, was it like a skincare box? I'm not sure, but I know it was a Trend Mood box that I got this in. I have oily skin, so I do like oil-free gel moisturizer, but honestly, I never had a chance to get around to using it because, like I said, I really do have a lot of skincare, unfortunately, and I like to use stuff like at one time, not like mixing and matching. So this retails for $38, so that already surpassed the price of $25 for this box. The next thing I got in here is a brush by Persona. Comes in this little plastic. The brush is pink, so I'm already liking it because that's my favorite color. Ooh, this is cute. You get like a little blush brush, and you also get like this says it's like a highlighter brush. So very excited for this. Yes. This retails for $24, so that one thing would have been the price of the box. The next thing I got is a Ciate London eyeshadow palette. Let's open her up. Oh no, please don't be broken. I feel like, is it broken? No, it's not broken. This is what the palette looks like. Did you guys just see? I had the worst luck with palettes. The thing just fell. It literally just fell out right there. Look at that. Fell out. Oh man. So this is the eyeshadow's like right. It literally just like it's in my hand. If you guys can see that. Yeah, why my luck with these shadows? Like I don't know. But anyway, nevertheless, back to the unboxing. That retailed for $30. That retails for $30. I love the palette. It looks nice. It looks like very creamy, metallic-y. But I'm so upset that like one of them fell out. Let's see what else is in here. The next thing I got is something by Dr. Brand. It is an eye cream, triple peptide eye cream. This is what the product looks like. That retails for $82.
Wow, wow, wow.
So that was a, I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I don't even know if I really even use eye cream. I do, but I don't, like, yeah. The next thing I got is a Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. That's what it looks like. I've never heard of the brand Bali Balm. It does smell like oranges. It's just a lip balm, so I'll definitely keep that because, I mean, we all could use some lip balm. This retails for $33. So let's see what's the total of my box. I'm going to calculate it on my phone. Wow, my box retailed for $207 and all I paid was $25. And people wonder why I love makeup subscription boxes. I mean, they could be a good thing and a bad thing though, because yes, I only paid $25, but if the majority of the box is stuff that I'm not going to use, then was it really worth even spending your $25? You could have spent it on something towards something that you really wanted. But I will definitely use a lip balm. If I not had this moisturizer, I definitely would have used it, but I already have one already. I love the eyeshadow palette by Ciate London. I absolutely love this brush. Eye cream, I'm not a big fan of getting skincare and makeup subscription boxes just skincare in general. So let's see, what would I give this box? I would give it an 8 because I liked majority of everything in the box. The only thing I wasn't really crazy about was the eye cream. And I didn't give it like a 9 because I had a shadow that was broken, which I'm super upset about. So I'm gonna send that to Boxycharm and see if they could send me a different one, because the one color that is broken is the one that I would actually like to use, that bronzy color. Yeah, so that's really about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stay to the end and you liked my video, give me a lovely thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload a video. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.